Welcome to Stalwart Educare. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of writing a stellar dissertation proposal. Whether you're a graduate student embarking on your research journey or an undergraduate preparing for your thesis, crafting a compelling dissertation proposal is a crucial step towards academic success. Understanding the purpose. A dissertation proposal serves as a roadmap for your research project, outlining its scope, objectives, methodology, and significance. It's your opportunity to demonstrate the originality and feasibility of your research idea while convincing your academic committee of its merit. Choosing a research topic. Selecting a research topic is the first step in writing a dissertation proposal. Consider areas of interest, gaps in existing literature, and the feasibility of conducting research within your timeframe and resources. Your topic should be specific enough to be manageable yet broad enough to contribute to your field. Formulating research questions. Once you've chosen a topic, formulate clear and focused research questions that guide your inquiry. Your research questions should be relevant, original, and capable of generating meaningful insights. Avoid vague or overly broad questions that lack specificity and clarity. Conducting a literature review. A comprehensive literature review is essential for contextualizing your research within existing scholarship. Identify key themes, debates, and gaps in the literature related to your topic. Critically evaluate previous studies to identify areas where your research can make a valuable contribution. Defining methodology and approach. Outline your research methodology and approach in your dissertation proposal. Specify whether your study will be qualitative, quantitative, or mixed methods and justify your choice. Describe your data collection methods, sampling techniques, and data analysis procedures in detail. Structuring your proposal. Structure your dissertation proposal in a clear and organized manner. Include sections such as an introduction, background and context, research questions and objectives, methodology, literature review, and potential contributions. Use headings and subheadings to guide the reader through each section. Writing style and tone. Adopt a professional and scholarly writing style in your dissertation proposal. Use clear and concise language, avoid jargon or overly technical terms, and ensure consistency in formatting and citation style. Proofread your proposal carefully to eliminate errors and typos. Seeking feedback and revision. Seek feedback from your academic advisor, peers, or mentors before finalizing your dissertation proposal. Incorporate constructive criticism and suggestions for improvement. Revision is an iterative process, so be prepared to refine your proposal based on feedback. Addressing ethical considerations. Consider any ethical considerations related to your research, such as informed consent, confidentiality, or potential risks to participants. Outline your plans for ethical approval and compliance with relevant guidelines or regulations. Writing a great dissertation proposal requires careful planning, research, and attention to detail. By following these steps and guidelines, you can craft a compelling proposal that sets the stage for a successful research project. Remember to stay focused, stay organized, and stay passionate about your topic. Good luck on your dissertation journey. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and tips for writing a great dissertation proposal. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Stalwart Educare for more educational resources and tips. Happy writing!